Can your employer see your deleted Copilot chat? The short answer is it depends, but not in the way that most people think. Your manager is not just sitting around scrolling through your Copilot history. That's not what's happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to delete your Copilot chat, who can see your deleted chats and when, and finally, what you should never type into Copilot on your work or school account. Let's get started. First, let's cover how to delete a chat because most people don't even realize all the places deletion happens. Deleting a single chat is straightforward. Open Copilot, find the chat in your history panel, click the three dots, and hit delete. You'll see this warning, permanently delete chat. Click confirm, and that conversation is removed from your view. Here's what's important. There is no undo button or a recycle bin. Once you delete it, you have no way of getting it back. But don't worry, here's what the delete does not touch. If you upload any files to your Copilot conversation as a reference, it's not deleted. Emails that Copilot summarized, meetings that Copilot reviewed, or tasks that Copilot helped you create are not deleted. Also, it does not delete content such as Copilot pages or Copilot notebooks that you reference or attached. Deleting a chat removes the conversation only, and that's it. Everything Copilot referenced still exists where it was originally created or saved. Now, if you want to know how to delete everything, all your Copilot interactions across every Microsoft 365 app like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Loop, Outlook, OneDrive, there's a separate place for that. Click on your profile picture, go to View Accounts. You may be prompted to log in, and if so, do so. Select Settings and Privacy. Click on the Privacy tab and then Copilot Activity History. If your organization allows it, you can press Delete History from here to remove all your stored Copilot interactions like what you have asked Copilot, those are your prompts, what Copilot has answered, and again, across Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, OneNote, Loop, and everywhere else. Just remember, the same rule applies. This clears your chat conversation. It does not delete the pages and notebooks and files and anything Copilot has created for you. Also, notice the warning says to allow time to fully delete conversations. So depending on the number of conversations you have generated, it may take a couple of days to fully delete. As a reminder, once it's gone, it's gone. Now, what about temporary Copilot chats? Many users see this and assume Copilot temporary chats are private browsing for Copilot. Recently, Microsoft added a disclaimer that says the chat won't be saved, it won't create memories. For most users, that sounds like it is a semi-private interaction. But read the rest of the message. It says it follows your organization's retention policy and it may still be accessible to your admin. That's the part people don't quite understand what it means. Temporary chat keeps the conversation out of your normal chat history list, and no Copilot memory instructions are kept. That's useful for decluttering. It's also useful for testing prompts. Watch this video to minimize the number of chats retained while summarizing your emails. If your organization has retention or audit policies in place, and most companies do, temporary chat does not bypass this security. If this video is adding value to your workflow so far, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks. Your support really helps me to continue producing free content. Microsoft Copilot is changing rapidly, and if you are interested in Copilot end user training for you and your team, feel free to contact me. So let me answer the question everyone has been waiting for. Can your employees see deleted Copilot chats? If your organization uses Microsoft 365 with compliance features enabled, and most workplaces with Copilot license do, then the answer is yes. Your Copilot interactions may be discoverable through e-discovery, audit logs, or retention policies, even after you have deleted them. So let's be clear, your manager is not spying on you. That's not how it works. This is an enterprise compliance infrastructure, the same system that capture your work emails, your team messages, and your SharePoint activity also apply to Copilot. Here's the second question. Does that mean every deleted chat is indefinitely stored and searchable? And the answer is not necessarily. It depends on your organization's specific policies, retention periods, audit scopes, and compliance requirements. But you should operate under one simple assumption. If you would not put that information in a work email or team chat or a shared document, do not type it in Copilot. That includes HR complaints, legal concerns, customer data, financial planning notes, sensitive business or personal information. Copilot is a productivity tool connected to your work identity. Treat it as such. So here's the bottom line. Yes, go ahead and carefully delete your Copilot chats. It keeps your workspace clean and organized, but understand that deletion occurs only at the conversation chat level. Those are your prompts and Copilot responses. If you want the full breakdown of every deletion method, like how to delete pages and notebooks, check out my blog post for the details. The link is in the description. Now, go work your magic.